Hey folks, let me show you the future of grocery shopping. I just placed an order through the Wings delivery app using Walmart, and what you're seeing on the screen is the live view of the drone heading to my house. The ETA? Just about a minute and a half. Pretty wild, right? Let's fast forward and see what happens when it arrives. Check this out.
No way. Ah! Look at that. Wow. Walmart. That is so crazy.
Now let me walk you through how easy it was to set this up. First, I installed the Wings delivery app. Honestly, these intro screens, they're cute and all, but I wish I could skip them. If it were me, I'd want to jump straight in. But hey, they get points for creativity. Next, it asks you to choose an account. I added my Gmail, signed in, and authenticated. Be sure to review what information the app will pull from Google to ensure you are okay with sharing that. Then the usual stuff. Review the terms and conditions, share your location when using the application, and confirm the address. The application's animations, a little slow for my taste, but again, I get that they are trying to make this a very unique experience. After that, verify your phone number with a text code. Select whether you want to allow notifications or not. I normally say no, but for something this new, I went ahead and allowed it. Here's where I hit my first snag. At 6:30 a.m., Walmart was temporarily closed due to technical issues. What I credit for the logistics it takes for them to make sure that the drones are ready to go. Fast forward to 10 a.m. Still unavailable, but now the message says it's unavailable until 10:15 a.m. I went back to work and came back at exactly that time. And boom, looks like we're good to go. I clicked Walmart and started adding items. First up, Ferrero Rochers. You can't go wrong with them. Then I wanted to get some ice cream. What's your favorite? For me, personally, Ben & Jerry's is permanently boycotted, so I went ahead and skipped all those options. I scrolled past Magnum. It was tempting, but I ultimately went with Outshine Lime frozen fruit bars. I've had these before and really enjoyed their flavor, and they felt way healthier than alternatives. Now, here's something interesting. Although you do have to select the address for the delivery, you don't actually get to choose the delivery spot. The app gives you those options and you hope it picks the right one. I had one option, so I went ahead and selected it. Then it asks you to clear the area for drop-off, which makes sense, right? We don't want it to drop it over someone's car, shed, and so on. I then reviewed my order, entered my credit card information, and placed the order. The app once again reminds you, keep the area clear. No kids, no obstacles, and it pleads you to not touch the drone once it arrives. Honestly, this is why we can't have nice things. Someone's going to mess with it eventually. But anyway, about 10 to 15 minutes later, the drone arrives. You saw the first shot earlier. Here's another angle so you can appreciate it. Now for my review. Overall, it's super positive. I ordered 3 times in a span of around 10 minutes. 2 were perfect, 1 had an error, but here's the most amazing part of this. There is no upcharge, not a single penny. Prices are exactly what you'd pay in store. So DoorDash, Uber Eats, brace yourselves. This is a real competitor. No one wants to pay $5 to $15 in fees anymore, especially in today's affordability crisis environment. Second, the convenience is insane. You can keep doing whatever you are doing. Working, watching over your kids, relaxing, gaming, exercising, anything. And when you realize you forgot something, just order it on the app, same price, delivered by drone. Also, the packages were easy to open, well made, and everything arrived undamaged. Sometimes they even throw in a water bottle as a thank you. A nice touch. So what do you think about this? Is this the future? Do you feel good about this? Are you concerned about any aspect of this? Be sure to let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. Follow me and subscribe to my channel. This is one of my rare tech-focused videos, but I also share content on the journey to homeownership and how-to videos showing DIY do-it-yourself repairs, maintenance, and renovation projects to save you tons of money. Check those out, and thanks for tuning in.